Good morning, student. Today we are going to start present, past and future simple tense. So let's take examples. Past tense, present tense and future tense. Present tense, that is talks about action or event that is happening now. Rule of present tense: subject plus V1 plus S or ES plus object. I, you, we, they. These are plural subjects. So in this we will not add S or ES. For example, read, cook, walk. But he, she, it names, that is singular subject. So we will add S or ES. For examples, reads, cooks and walks. So let's take some examples. They play. So we will not add S or ES, but he plays. We will add S or ES. I sleep. She sleeps. We will add S with singular subject. We sing. It sings. We sing. In this, we will not add S or ES because we is plural subject. You eat. Got eats. Here, got is a singular subject. So we will add S. Past tense talks about action or event that has happened before. Structure of past tense: subject plus verb to plus object. There are two verbs here: regular verbs and irregular verbs. In regular verbs, we will add ed. For example, play, played, cook, cooked, walk, walked. So played, cooked, walked and jumped, these are second form of verbs. But in irregular verbs, we will not add ed. See, saw, sit, sat, put, put, bring, brought. So saw, sat, put and brought, these are irregular verbs of past tense. In future tense, talks about action that will happen after. Structure of future tense: subject plus will plus V1 plus object. Sentences in future tense: I will sit. You will read. He will sleep. We will study. They will talk. It will play. So it talks about action that will happen after. Let's read words that are regular verbs: past, present and future. Cook, cooks. Cooked and will cook. Cook, cooks, we will add S with present tense, and ed we will add past tense, and will is used for future tense. Care, cares, cared and will care. Work, works, we will add S or ES in present tense, ed we will use past tense, and will is used future tense. Play, plays, we will add S or ES in present tense, ed we will add past tense, and will we will use in future tense. Let's read words that are irregular verbs. Shout out and read loudly. Read, reads. We will add S or ES in present tense, but we will not add ed in past tense. And again we will use will in future tense. Sing or sings In this, we will add s or es. In past tense, we will not add ed, but again we will use will in future tense. Catch, catches, count, will catch. Buy, buys, bought, will buy. So student, I hope you understood present, past and future simple tense. Thank you student. Bye students.